Okay guys, welcome back to another Crust Bros Pizza Masterclass here. I'm Joe, founder of Crust Bros, and today we are talking tomatoes, so tomato sauce. Obviously one of the integral bits of any margherita pizza, and we're going to show you how simple it is today to get that right. Also how simple it is to get it wrong as well. So we have here our San Marzano tomatoes. This is our restaurant grade, the best of the best tomatoes here, which we love. But today, much smaller scale, we're going to be making our tomato sauce here that you can make at home and is enough for all your pizzas you're going to be making. So this is just a 400-gram can. It's your San Marzano tomatoes in tomato juice. So tomatoes, as I said, the important thing is that we keep it super simple. It's literally just a few ingredients. So we've got our tomatoes, which we're gonna squash up by hand, or you can use a stick blender. And we're gonna add a little bit of salt and a little bit of olive oil. And that is literally it. We don't cook it, we don't use passata, we don't put anything else in it because these tomatoes are so tasty. And we just need a sprinkle of salt as well. And I've misplaced the salt. So as I said, we keep our tomato sauce super simple. So we've just got our San Marzano tomatoes in here. If you can't get San Marzano, really good quality plum tomatoes are gonna do. Never get the pre-chopped. Pre-chopped is awful, worst tomatoes ever. They're gonna have loads of the eyes of the tomatoes and the green bits. Just completely rubbish. So just really good quality plum will do, as I said. Here, little drizzle of olive oil, literally just a drop, extra virgin, and sprinkle of salt, like that. And then we take our natural tomato mincer and get your hand in, and literally we're just squeezing those tomatoes there. If you like a really fine tomato sauce, of course you can blend this now. And if you're making like mass quantities, probably the best thing to do is to use a stick blender. But given as we're only making a small amount, I quite like that rusticness, especially if you're making home pizza, of having being able to see the lumps of tomato in there. It's also going to be super tasty when anyone chomps down on that bit of dough, bit of mozzarella, bit of basil. Perfect. Cool. So we're almost there. You can see it's there's little chunks of tomatoes. If you see any green bits, you can just pick them out. They're not going to be particularly nice to chow down on. We don't put any basil here in this tomato sauce. We're going to put a bit of basil when we put our tomato on the pizza. We're going to put a bit of basil on and a bit of mozzarella as well. But if you want it, put basil in there. If you like garlic in your sauce, of course you can do it. It's not going to be as traditional, but if it tastes good, do it. Why not? Cool. And there we are, ready to go. Tomato sauce, your perfect margherita pizza. Boom. So, if you enjoyed this video, we just ask you to subscribe because we're going to be releasing loads more insider tips on how to make amazing pizza at home. And also hit the like button as well. Tell your friends, here's how you make pizza. Lockdown special, let's do it.